expect the bricklaying process to begin after the welding?
The bricklaying activities, I think, will be started in 28th, 27th of August. But the welding will be started after 2 or 3 days, the major welding.
You can share with us some of the challenges you faced while undertaking this particular project.
One of the challenges was kiln shortening within last years because of the deformations we had on the kiln shell. And this shortening has moved the outlet tire out of roller. So within this kiln shell replacement, we had to overcome to correct this problem and put the outlet tire in its original position according to the drawings. So this was one of the challenges, and the other challenge we have been facing was about the connecting old kiln shells, which are deformed, to the new kiln shells, which is perfect, has a perfect circular cross-section and cylindrical shape. So this is something very difficult and complicated. We had to do a lot of measurements and analyze the measurements and use the computer softwares to come to this conclusion that how we can put this old and new kiln shell sections together, not to disturb the kiln axis alignment, and as well as the contact between the tires and rollers on all stations and piers of the kiln. We had also another challenges which I can mention regarding the adjustment of the girth gear and pinion meshing within this kiln shell replacement job. And that's why we decided to do the shimming in tire number 3, and it was a challenging decision, and also the performing of this job in pier number 3. But thanks to the very good cooperation of the plant management and plant staff, as well as very good contractor that EAPC has contracted to, in fact, to do the kiln shell replacement job, and they are quite experienced and capable. So all together we could overcome these challenges. These were, of course, we had many other challenges also, but I think these are some examples and maybe the main challenges we had.
Okay, what's your expectation and assessment once the kiln is live, like it starts running? What are your expectations?
The performance of kiln after a startup, after this major repair, in fact depends to many different parameters and many different factors, because this, along with this kiln shell replacement, many other activities are going parallel in mechanical maintenance department, as well as in electrical maintenance department, and also the process and operation and production department. By kiln shell replacement, we can put the production line and rotary kiln in operation. But the performance and the capacity depends to the other parameters, which I know they are in parallel going on. The activities in preheater, in clinker cooler, and other parts of the burning department. Those will have also a positive effect in having higher production rate and daily production capacity. So I'm quite optimistic, and I believe that after this major repair, we can run the kiln for a much longer periods. Of course, there are many factors we have to take care of them, and a spare part is something necessary, and without a spare part, an industrial unit and plant cannot continue operation. Especially the brick lining refractory is quite essential. We should have enough quantity and with the proper quality of brick lining refractories at the plant, in the store, even more than what we need in normal condition, because sometimes the brick lining may fail because of many different reasons. So we should have always extra amount of brick lining refractories in the plant available for the production department.
What advice would you give of engineers once the kiln starts running? What are the do's and don'ts they should be doing?
Of course, the engineers and the operators, they have got good and long experience in how to run and operate the production line. But I can say I suggest them, not only the engineers responsible for the production and maintenance, but also the management. I suggest to have enough key spare parts and refractory bricks at the store, and because otherwise we will put the kiln operators in such a position to continue operation when it is necessary to stop the kiln. And only in that case all these damages could happen to the refractory linings. So they know what to do, and I hope all together, and we'll try, I'm sure, that not to let the kiln stop for any reasons. This will be the aim. And in that case, I believe that the plant, we can expect the plant to have a reasonable run-out factor and availability factor.
Okay, as we come to an end, maybe you can give us a parting shot. What can you tell our engineers whom you've worked with for this short period?
As I mentioned, I'm so happy to be in Kenya and to get acquainted with these nice people of Kenya. And right from the beginning, I decided to help the colleagues and friends and the staff of the plant as much as I can beyond my responsibility in this job in different aspects. That's why up to now I have passed already about 20 reference books and technical documents and technical papers to my friends in the plant. And I have told them that I'm ready here 24 hours round, 7 days per week, to answer their questions, of course, as much as I am capable to answer the questions. So this is what I'm doing from bottom of my heart, and it is a pleasure for me to be useful more than what you are expecting me at the framework of chemical replacement and beyond that one. Yeah, so I wish you all the health and prosperity and successful operation of the plant.
Thank you for joining us. Till next time, my name is Yasmin Hamdan.